Today we're doing a Levi's 510 skinny fit men's premium jeans in Albany Gray. Style number 0551-00840. Unboxing, review, try on, and comparison. You're watching Style with Altitude from Colorado. We cover menswear from unboxings, reviews, comparisons, how to style, and much more. So make sure to subscribe, comment, smash that like button, and stay tuned till the end to see the difference between the Levi's 510 premium line jeans and the regular line 510 jeans. Let's get right into it. Overall, the Levi's 510 are my favorite jeans from Levi's, as they're not too tight as their snuggest fit. The 519 Extreme Skinny, which has an even lower rise and less upper thigh room, and an even smaller leg opening than the 510. I found that the 519s are too tight on the groin and upper thigh area in a size 29 by 30. The 510s in a size 29 by 30 have a 12-inch leg opening that show your shoes off well that you worked hard for and go great with everything from sneakers to boots. They're very versatile and easy to style and go with just about everything in your wardrobe. The 510 premium jeans are also very comfortable and move with you, with a bit of stretch fabric at 99% cotton and 1% elastane. Keep in mind that larger waistlines may change the leg opening size. I find these to be perfect the way they are and wouldn't want it any bigger or any smaller. Make sure to watch the entire video to see the comparison phase of the video right after the unboxing and review phase of this video to see similarities and differences between the Levi's 510 premium line jeans and the regular line Levi's 510 jeans. It's coming right up, so make sure you stay tuned for the comparison right after these short clips that show you them on. Premium feels softer to the touch at 99% cotton and 1% elastane, with more stitches per inch and more time crafting. Regular is rougher to the touch at 98% cotton and 2% elastane, with less stitches per inch. Both the premium line and the regular line have a 12-inch leg opening, and both have a 10.25-inch rise. Premium has a genuine leather patch. Regular has a regular patch or a standard patch. Premium has a premium label sewn into every garment, while the regular line has no premium label or no label at all. The premium line has busted seams, while the regular line has no busted seams. On premium, you'll find a big E on the iconic red tab, while the regular line has a small E on the red tab. What are your favorite Levi's jeans? Comment below. Or what other jeans do you recommend? Let us know in the comment section. Smash like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more menswear videos.